everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Think CSEC. We'll be looking at the CSEC Geography May-June 2018 Paper 1. And I want to take this opportunity to say thank you for all the loyal supporters who have been supporting my channel. But if you're new to my channel, you're just visiting it for the first time, welcome. And please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you know when new videos are being uploaded. Also, give this video a thumbs up by liking it. So let's get into this paper. So here we go. Our first diagram is a map. Items 1 to 3 is based on this map. Alright, take a look at it. Alright. So here's the first question. It says, what is the contour interval used on the map? Now, if you look on the map carefully, wish you could pause the video and go further, you'll see that it is actually 100 feet. So B would be our answer. 2. In which of the following direction does Boot River flow? The answer is D, southeast. 3 says, what settlement pattern is shown in the grid square labeled A? The answer is A, linear. Let's move on to number 4. So here, this is a repeated question. So look at the diagram. It says in the diagram above, the featured labeled 1 is a, it is D, distributary. Let's go on to number 5. So, number 5, item 5 refers to the following diagram. So here we have it. So it says on the diagram above, the landforms shown at X and Y respectively are a. The answer is B, coastal plain and plateau. Let's go on to number 6. So here we have items 6 to 7 refer to the following graph, which shows long-term changes in global temperatures over the last 2 centuries. So you can take a look at it, that right there. So on our y-axis, you can see there annual mean global surface temperature in degrees Celsius, and our year is on the x-axis. So it says, what degree of change in global temperatures was recorded between 1910 and 1940? So 1910 and 1940. So we're thinking of this between this period from here to here, and that is B.3. Let's go on to number 7. The largest change in the annual mean global temperatures occurred over the period. Let's look at it here. The largest period. So we're looking from here. It started to go up, 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 up. So this is from 1970 to 1990. So there we have it, 1970 to 1990. So C would be our answer. Let's go to 8. So items 8 to 9 refer to the following sketch. So we have seen this sketch before. And you have your different keys, what it represents there. So 8 says the feature labeled S is situated in grid square Now, you can look on that again, but it is C93. It's at 9327. 9 says, the feature passing through Q is a, the answer is D, railway. Let's go on to number 10. So we have items 10 to 12 refer to the following world map. So you can take a look at your world map. Our country there, New Orleans and St. Petersburg. Okay, it says, what is the location of St. Petersburg? Well, if you look carefully, you'll realize that it's 60 degrees north, 30 degrees east. You can always look on it again. 11 says the direction of the prime meridian from New Orleans is, it is A, east. Let's go to 12. What time is it in New Orleans when it is 10 p.m. on Monday in St. Petersburg? You should get A, 2 p.m. Monday. Items 13 refers to the following diagram, which shows a coastline. So it says, which of the following features is not shown on the diagram? It is D, wave cut platform. Let's go to 14. So item 14 refers to the following contours. Sketch map contours in meters showing points X and W and area Y. So you can take a look at it there. So it says the bearing of X from W is approximately, you should get D, 315 degrees in your calculation. 15 says, item 15 refers to the following diagram, which shows air rising and clouds forming over a highland. So there you have it. At what height in meters above sea level does condensation begin? So at what level? So we have it there, 600, at 600 right there. C. Let's go to item 16 to 17 refer to the following diagram of a river valley. There you have it. The feature labeled M is a, it is a levee or levee. Which of the following features forms in the area marked N? The answer is C, a floodplain. Let's go to 18. Which of the following conditions is needed for the growth of coral? The answer is D, warm water temperatures. So items 19 to 20 refer to the following rainfall and temperature graph for country P. So there you have it. Take a look at it. So we have our rainfall on our y-axis and months of the year on our x-axis. So 19 says, which month are the highest temperature? Now that would be D, September. Looking on it again, you'll see that it's September. 20 says, which of the following types of climates is represented by the information in the graph? The answer is B, equatorial. Let's go to 21. A volcanic spine develops when? The answer is A, the lava is viscous. Item 22 refers to the following diagram. So there you have your diagram. It says the diagram above represents a, that is a would be your answer. All right, let's go to 23. So item 23 refers to the following diagram. So it says the diagram above shows population. We know that is population density, B. Let's go to 24. Items 24 to 25 refers to the data in the following table, which shows world production of aluminum million tons in selected countries for 2003. So there you have your table. So it says, which country produced just over 1/10 of the aluminum in the world in 2003? The answer is C, Canada. 25. The number of tons of aluminum produced by Norway was, the answer is D, 1.2 million. 26. Which of the following features is formed by vertical erosion in the upper course of a river? The answer is D. 27. The point where a river begins is referred to as, the answer is C, source. 28. The process of exfoliation may be defined as the answer A, peeling off of the outer layers of rocks. Let's go to 29. A river that is wide, shallow, and has bars and islands around which the river flows is described as, that is B, braided. 30. Which of the following statements explains how vegetation contributes to the development of soils? The answer is B. Vegetation decomposes to produce the organic matter in the soil. Let's go to 31. Item 31 refers to the following diagram, which shows a coastline. It says, the feature labeled X in the diagram above is most likely the result of the answer is C, weathering of rocks. Let's go to 32. It says here, which of the following factors is the most important contributor to the growth of cities in the Caribbean? The answer is A, rural to urban migration. 33. Which of the following correctly describes the relationship between weather and climate? The answer is D. Weather is the day-to-day changes in the atmosphere, while climate is the average conditions of the atmosphere over many years. 34. Which of the following is the most serious problem hindering rapid agricultural development in the Caribbean? The answer is A, lack of capital. Let's go to 35. Which of the following factors may increase the rate of soil erosion? 1, afforestation. 2, very intense rainfall. 3, poor cultivation techniques. So, our answer would be C, 2 and 3 only. 36. The method of crop cultivation that uses extensive practices and results in high yields per worker is called, the answer is D, commercial. Herbal farming. 37 to 38 are based on the following graph, which shows the relative value for exports of primary and manufactured products from 4 Caribbean territories in 1 year. So there you have it. Now, it says 37. For which of the following territories was the value of manufactured products exported greater than 75% of the total exports? The answer is C, Barbados. Let's go to 38 now. It says, in which of the following territories was there the greatest difference in value between primary products and manufactured products? The answer is B, Guyana. Let's go to 39. Item 39 refers to the following diagram. So there we have our diagram. In the diagram, X represents, the answer is A. A. Let's go on to 40. It says, which of the following factors causes temperatures to be high in the Caribbean? This one is a giveaway. We know that is C, latitude. go to 41. It says, which of the following is classified as a tertiary industry? We know that's B, tourism. 42 says, which of the following situations have resulted from the setting up of secondary industries in the Caribbean? 1, reduced cost of living. 2, increased external markets. 3, increased employment opportunities. Now, our answer would be C, 2 and 3 only. Let's go on to number 43. So here for item 43 refers to the following table, which shows sugar production, millions of tons in the Caribbean and Latin America from 1961 to 2001. So there you have it. It says 43, based on the data in the table above, which of the following statements are true about sugar production between 1961 and 2001? 1. Sugar production in St. Kitts declined. 2. Sugar production in Cuba remained above 30 million. 3. Sugar production in Barbados decreased over 50%. So the answer is D, all of them. Let's go to 44. Most capital cities in the Caribbean have coastal locations mainly because the answer is A, began as major ports. 45. Which of the following are problems associated with urbanization in the Caribbean? 1, decentralization of shopping facilities. 2, unemployment and underemployment. 3, poor public transport. The answer is C, 2 and 3 only. Let's go on to number 46. Which of the following conditions is a problem in urban areas of the Caribbean? The answer is B, inadequate housing. Let's go to 47. At a transform plate margin, crustal plates are? The answer is B, sliding past each other. So item 48 now refers to the following diagram, which shows how a farmer uses his plot of land as represented in a pie chart. Right, so it says, which statement best describes the farm depicted above? The answer is C, more than half of the earth is used for crops. Let's go to 49. It says, changes in global trade policies impact Caribbean traditional export crops because they, the answer is B, encourage competition. 50. The rate of natural increase of a population is determined by? The answer is A, birth and death rates. 51. When magma emerges on the surface of many lead to the formation of? The answer is D, lava flows. 52. Which of the following considered a poor farming practice? The answer is B, overgrazing. 53. Which of the following activities poses the most serious threat to water quality in the rivers of the Caribbean? The answer is A, dumping of waste. Let's go to 54 now. So item 54 to 55 are based on the following sketch map of an area. So there you have it. So it says, which of the areas 1, 2, 3, or 4 would be a typical location for commercial arable farming, plantation agriculture in the Caribbean? The answer is B, is at 2. Let's go to 55. Which of the following would be the best area to locate a new factory in order to minimize the effects of air pollution? The answer is D, sat 4. So you can pause and go look at it again. 56. Algae nourished by waters enriched with nutrients grow in abundance over the corals, causing them to die. The situation described above can come about through, we know that it is, you tell me what the answer is for that one in the description box, in the comment section, sorry, below, and I'll tell you if that's correct. 57. Which of the following substances is not expected to pollute the underground water supply? The answer is A, mulch. 58 says, which of the following is a form of air pollution? The answer is A, smog. Let's go to 59. Which of the following sequences usually occurs where soil erosion is a problem? The answer, we have D, deforestation, then decreased infiltration, then increased runoff, and then soil erosion. Let's go at our final question, 60. Which combination of factors would most likely result in flooding? 1. Soil conservation methods in use. 2. Deforestation. 3. Dumping of garbage in rivers. The answer is C, 2 and 3 only. So there you have it. We have come to the end of the CSEC Geography, May, June 2018, Paper 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.